Ford just made a move that no one saw coming. A billion-dollar deal that has Canada cheering, and America asking, what's going on? Is Ford turning its back on the USA? Let's break down the jaw-dropping deal shaking up the auto industry. Ford Motor Company has officially struck a multi-billion-dollar agreement with Canada to manufacture electric vehicles and batteries. That's right. Instead of expanding production in the U.S., Ford chose to pour investment north of the border. This isn't just any investment. It's one of the biggest automotive deals in Canadian history. We're talking about a $1.8 billion plan to transform a Canadian plant in Oakville, Ontario into a cutting-edge EV and battery hub. The Oakville plant, once producing gas-powered SUVs, will now become the center of Ford's electric future. Thousands of Canadian jobs are being secured and created. And while Canada celebrates, many in the U.S. are asking, why not here? Ford's decision raises major questions about the future of American manufacturing. With layoffs reported in U.S. auto plants and growing concerns about outsourcing, some are calling this move a slap in the face to the American workforce. But Ford has a reason, and it's not personal, it's political. The Canadian government offered massive incentives, including tax breaks and energy support, to lure Ford into this deal, and it worked. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau called the deal a win for Canada's clean future, while Ford CEO Jim Farley said the move positions Ford as a leader in North America's EV race. With the global shift to electric vehicles accelerating, Ford is racing to catch up with Tesla, Rivian, and foreign automakers like BYD. To win, Ford needs efficiency, skilled labor, and government support, and Canada checked all three boxes. Make no mistake, this isn't about abandoning the U.S. It's about adapting. Ford still has major factories in Michigan, Kentucky, and Ohio. But as EV production rises, don't be surprised to see more deals like this in Canada or even Mexico. The public reaction? Mixed. Canadians are celebrating the job boom. But in the U.S., especially in auto-heavy states, there's frustration and fear. Is this the start of a new trend? Are American automakers quietly shifting away from home soil to chase better deals? One thing is clear. The auto industry is changing fast. And Ford's shocking deal with Canada may just be the first of many bold moves as the electric future races ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the car industry, EV trends, and the future of American manufacturing. Stop sign, so what do you think? Did Ford make the right call? Or just turn its back on the USA? Tell us in the comments below.